Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Let's tap on it. And if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now let's take a look at this option bar here and tap on the settings in the right upper corner. And here in the video settings, we've got the video size for the back camera, so just tap on it. And here you can choose from FHD, HD and SD. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use, and as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.